Ever feel that pit in your stomach when tax season rolls around? The dread of sorting through countless financial statements, trying to figure out what's what, and ultimately, just hoping you don't mess it all up? Yeah, we've all been there. It's even worse when you're dealing with something relatively new and complex, like cryptocurrency. It's a whole different beast. And if you're a user of a Canadian platform like Newton, the question of what tax documents do they even provide becomes a yearly source of anxiety. Well, let's be honest, Newton, like many other crypto exchanges, has a very specific way of handling tax season. They don't magically generate a neat, ready-to-file T4 or T5 slip for you. That would be too easy, right? The responsibility, in the end, falls on you, the user, to accurately report your crypto activity to the Canada Revenue Agency, or the CRA. Now, before you close this video in a panic, let me be clear, this isn't a dead end. In 2025, Newton continues its commitment to making this process as straightforward as possible, even if they aren't directly handing you a finished tax form. They've partnered with some of the best crypto tax software platforms in the business to help you get the job done right. And the key to all of this, the single most important document you need, is your transaction history. Think of your Newton transaction history as the raw data, the complete story of your crypto journey on their platform for the year. It's the starting point for everything. This document is a comprehensive record of every single trade, every deposit, every withdrawal you've made. It's the ledger that a crypto tax software needs to make sense of your gains and losses. And this is where Newton's partnerships come into play. They've recognized that the real complexity of crypto taxes isn't just about your activity on a single exchange. It's about all of your crypto activity, everywhere. If you've moved crypto from Newton to a personal wallet, or to another exchange like Coinbase or Kraken, that's a taxable event. If you've received staking rewards on a different platform, that's considered income. A single exchange can't possibly have the full picture of your financial life, which is why they can't provide a complete, ready-to-file tax document. So, what do you get from Newton in 2025? The most crucial thing you get is the ability to export your complete transaction history. They make it incredibly simple to download a CSV file, which is essentially a spreadsheet containing all your data. This CSV file is the golden ticket. Once you have this file, you have a couple of options. You can take this raw data and manually calculate your gains and losses. Now, if you've made more than a handful of transactions, I would strongly advise against this. The potential for error is huge, and a single mistake can lead to an audit or a painful reassessment from the CRA. The much better and safer option is to use one of Newton's recommended third-party crypto tax software partners. For 2025, they've continued their partnership with services like Coinly and CoinLedger. These platforms are designed specifically to take your raw transaction data and turn it into a clear, concise, and compliant tax report. Here's how it works. You log into your Newton account, navigate to the Statements or Reports section, and export your transaction history. Then, you go to a platform like Coinly or CoinLedger. You can either directly integrate your Newton account via a read-only API, which automatically syncs your data, or you can upload the CSV file you just downloaded. Once the tax software has your Newton data, this is where the real magic happens. You'll then need to connect all of your other crypto wallets and exchanges to the same software. This is key. The software will pull in all your transactions from all sources and consolidate them. It will automatically calculate your cost basis, which is what you paid for your crypto. It will account for things like gas fees and trading fees. It will apply the Canadian superficial loss rule, which can be a real headache to do manually. It will identify taxable events, differentiate between capital gains and income, and give you a complete, consolidated picture of your entire crypto tax situation. And the best part? These platforms can then generate a variety of tax reports for you. They can create a report that's optimized for your specific needs. For example, a complete tax report that you can hand directly to your accountant. Or a T5008 slip-like report, a capital gains summary, or even a file that you can directly import into tax filing software like TurboTax or Wealthsimple Tax. Newton's partnership with these tax software providers isn't just about convenience, it's about accuracy and compliance. The CRA is paying more and more attention to cryptocurrency every year. The days of flying under the radar are over. Having a properly prepared report from a reputable crypto tax software significantly reduces your risk of an audit and ensures you're paying the right amount of tax. So, in summary, for 2025, Newton doesn't provide a single, ready-to-file tax document themselves. Instead, they provide the most critical component, a complete and exportable transaction history. They've also streamlined the process by maintaining partnerships with dedicated crypto tax platforms like Coinly and CoinLedger. This is the modern, and frankly, the only responsible way to handle crypto taxes. It acknowledges the multi-platform reality of most crypto investors and empowers you to get a comprehensive and accurate report, which is what you'll ultimately need to file your taxes. Don't let tax season catch you off guard. Get ahead of it now. Log into your Newton account, find that transaction history export, and get familiar with one of the tax software partners. You'll thank yourself later when the tax deadline is approaching and you're not frantically trying to piece together your crypto life from a dozen different sources. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.